There's our local police checking on everything. Here's all the snow. I just finished shoveling.